All right, guys, we got a 2021 A35 AMG Turbo 4MATIC. Love the gunmetal color on these Mercedes. Such a cool looking car. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. The usual exhaust addicts fashion. Deleted the resonator, 3-inch pipe continues. Then did a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see there, and deleted the rear muffler. Look at that. When you want to talk custom, you bring it to us. We get it custom made for you guys without any issues. And then it's got the built-in bumper right there. We left that alone. AMG A35 Mercedes. He just bought it. He's like, it's too quiet. I need sound. He called us and we like, we got you. Bring it on down. There's the resonator that was on it. And there's that gigantic muffler that was on it. Single in and dual outlet right there. Nice and tucked away. He did a clean, beautiful job. Beautiful welds, beautiful everything. So if you guys want yours done, holler at us. If you want product, you can order it at exhaustaddicts.com. Have a good one. AMG A35. First on the channel. Nice idle. Not crazy loud. Clean. That's the cold start, you know. So that's idle. Right at 77, very manageable. Give it gas. Yes. This is sport. Should mark. Double tap it.
Yeah, Sports Plus also.
Puts. So that was sport. Put it in Sport Plus. This is Sport Plus. Go ahead. Not bad. Here's sound decibels. Again. Start. When you take it down the road, don't bother. 103 when it pops, 100 when it doesn't. One more. Mercedes AMG A35. Fully straight pipe, other than the cat, of course. Again. That sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That sounds sick. And it's quick. Look at that thing go. Wow, it's quick, bro. Woo! That gnarled. I love it. Enjoy, guys.